How do you create a live show that actually works for preschoolers? You make it playful, gentle, and full of discovery. Hi, I'm Tom Knight, and I bring interactive programs to life with music, puppets, and lots of joyful participation designed especially for preschoolers. This is a high-energy, age-appropriate show that gets kids moving, laughing, and engaged from the very first moment. The mix of music, participation, and visual storytelling means that there's something for every child, whether they want to watch, move, or join in at their own pace.
That was a very beautiful show. It was very lovely. All the kids enjoyed it. They were laughing, they were up, they were moving, they were having such a great time. Great job.
For smaller groups, I can also include hands-on elements like shaker eggs and scarves, so every child gets to actively participate in the music. With over 35 years performing for family audiences, I know how to meet kids where they are and keep them engaged. They're not just sitting and watching, they're part of the experience. If you're looking for a program that feels just right for your preschool audience, I'd love to bring my show to your school or center.